Welcome to one more episode of Algo Phoenix. In this video, we will learn how do we create a strategies based on a weighted moving average indicator. Now in this video, I'll not explain what is weighted moving average indicator and how does it work, what is the formula behind it, which moving average indicator, weighted moving average indicator works best. These things will not be discussed. I'll be straight going to a tool, how can we create it. Now what you can do is go back to the YouTube channel and search as weighted moving average indicator. There are a lot of mentors that have given a lot of explanation about this, and they've also given a lot of back-tested results that this weighted moving average works best in the intraday. Now pick out those things. A lot of people have given with a lot of exact numbers also. See here. Now accurate entry and exits, this gives you a most accurate signals on weighted moving average. So pick up such one or two videos and make a note of this indicator works. Now come back to the platform and check. For example, we'll take it a buy signal by 10 crossing, 10 WMA crossing 15 or 10 WMA crossing 30 or 10 WMA crossing 45. So long, short. You can pick up any numbers what is available in the YouTube out there. If they're promising that it is giving a profitable strategy, you can tell them that it is working or it's not working. Now go to the create strategy tab. I'm creating a strategy based on Nifty 50. It's an indicator based strategy and I'm going for a 5 minutes time frame. We can change the time frame later, we can check it. And I'm going for a pure candlestick pattern. And MIS, I want trade to be completed by 3:14 p.m. in the evening. And here I would say weighted moving average, maybe 15, and crosses above weighted moving average 30. Okay, done. So once the same condition will apply for short, where weighted moving average crosses below 30 weighted moving average, short entry will trigger. I would say, this option I will select one lot of call option, weekly expiry, buy one lot of call option with 30% stop loss, buy ATM call. You can go for ITM or OTM as per your convenience. Similarly, put option also. If 30% stop loss, we can pre-punch the stop loss if we want, or you can ignore if you don't want to pre-punch it. Next is if you want to a condition like example, this is 15 moving average, WMA crossing the 30 WMA, take an entry when this crossover happens. This condition will work. And if you want, I want a candle formation after a crossover, and I want to make an entry if this candle gets broken. If you want that kind of a condition, you can define all those things over here, add a signal condition, trade on the trigger break candle when the high breaken, when the low breaken gets broken. You can add all those conditions, or a continuous candle. You can add all those features over here. I'll uncheck as of now for this. Now pre-punch and also not being checked. Then I will say that let me keep open. I'm not going to put any profit, any stop loss, or I'm just saying maximum trade cycle is 5 cycle in a day and no trades after 3 p.m. in the evening. And I would say that this strategy, I can name it as WMA testing. And I will create a strategy. Once strategy is created, I can go and backtest the strategy for a period of last 1 or 2 years, and let's see whether this strategy is profitable or not. Whatever example, this has been told by YouTuber, where 15 WMA works with 30 WMA in a right manner. So now look at here, the statistics are here in front of you. Maximum drawdown is 16,000 rupees, maximum loss is 5,000, maximum profit is 16,000. So the strategy looks quite okay. Now I am not happy with this because number of trades are going high. Let me see whether the strategy is giving profitable in the month or in the days of Monday. It is a profitable, and Tuesdays it is very less profits and going 130 trades for 6,000 rupees profit. I don't want to have 130 trades. I can knock off Tuesdays, and Wednesdays it is giving good profits, and Thursday it is giving a loss. I should avoid on Thursdays, and Friday it is giving a loss. So now 53,000 rupees is my profit with 675 trades. Now if I keep it only on Mondays and Wednesdays, my profit goes to 51,000. My trades have gone to 270 trades from 675 trades. So now I'm going to trade only on the first these 2 days in a week with accuracy coming up to 50%. Now maximum drawdown is 4.6k. Now what I can do is I can go edit the strategy and keep it as Mondays and Wednesdays only, and I can update the strategy. Now strategy has been defined further here, which is giving me a better results. Now if I look at the transaction details, it is giving a premium of around 113 rupees, the maximum premium what I've seen over here. 200 is the maximum premium. So roughly 200 is a premium which the system is taking on every ATM call. Now if 200 is a premium for one lot of investment, for one lot of trading, 200 rupees premium means, okay, if the premium is 200 and lot size is 50, now if you see this, the investment is required as 10,000 rupees is my investment, and these are the returns month on month. So some days, most of days, capital is getting double. Some days it is end up in loss because it's only 2 trades in a week what we are implementing. Now, when the strategy is giving a favorable results, what I can do is I can go back and increase the quantity to 2 lots instead of 1 lot, because my number of trades will remain same, but my investments will become 20,000 rupees from 10,000 rupees. Now the profitable will go higher. Instead of 51k, it can become 100k or not 2k, right? And I now still see 1 or 2k, it has become 1 or 2k because I'm doubling this number of lots. Now maximum loss going to 9,000 rupees in any given point of time, which means that any one day, see, maximum loss is going to 9,000 rupees, which is not favorable for me. Now I can go back and start reducing my stop loss over here. If I start limiting my stop loss, my profits, the strategy might can become much more profitable. Instead of 5 trade cycle, I can go for 6. I may get better profits. I can exit the profit when it goes to 3,000 rupees. So you can do all those combination permutation, and you can come to a conclusion that yes, this is the best strategy which I've designed using WMA, and I can deploy. Once you come up to that particular stage, go to same again with the strategy tab. Whatever you have designed the strategy, you can deploy the strategy, pick up any broker and go for a paper trade and deploy in the paper trade. Now this strategy has been deployed here on a paper trade. Now all you have to do is in the morning come back to the dashboard and connect the broker and start the trading engine. Your work is done. Then when you do a backtesting, all those things, don't blindly go with the backtested results. You always suggested to deploy that in live trade. Okay, the system is quite slow because of weekend activity, patches are going on. Okay, deploy the strategy in the live market. Once you deploy, see the paper trade results. Okay, see the paper trade results. When you're convinced, then all you have to do is deploy strategy, switch to a live trade, and work is done. The live trades will happen from your account. So this video is all about how can we create a weighted moving average strategy using the platform Algo. I hope that is quite an interesting video. I'm going to record one video on each and every indicator going further. Keep following us on YouTube so that you get this information and learning from us directly. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.